Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see cloud workload protection using Microsoft Defender for cloud. Let me share an introduction how Microsoft Defender for Cloud provides Azure and hybrid cloud workload protection and security posture management. For example, you are a security operation analyst working at a company that uses Microsoft Defender for Cloud. You are responsible for implementing cloud workload protections provided by Microsoft Defender for Cloud. You have to need an overview of what resources can be protected by Microsoft Defender for Cloud. You also want to have a basic understanding of the features provided by Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So Microsoft Defender for Cloud features cover the two broad pillars of cloud security. Let me share that with you. Okay. One is Cloud Security Posture Management, which is CSPM. Okay. Another is Cloud Workload Protection, which is CWP. So what is CSPM? This posture management feature would provide visibility to help you understand your current security situation, and it would also provide hardening guidance to help you efficiently and effectively improve your security. The central feature in Defender for Cloud that enables you to achieve those goals is Secure Score, right? So CSPM is achieved by Secure Score, because Defender for Cloud continually assesses your resources, subscriptions, and organizations for security issues. It then aggregates all the findings into a single score that you can tell at a glance your current security situation. The higher the score, the lower the identifier risk level. Is good. Okay, now we have Cloud Workload Protection, which is CWP. It is Cloud Workload Protection. Now, Defender for Cloud offers security alerts that are powered by Microsoft Threat Intelligence. It also includes a range of advanced intelligent protections for your workloads. The workload protections are provided through Microsoft Defender Enhanced Security Features plan specific to the type of resources in your subscription. For example, you can enable Microsoft Defender for Storage to get alerted about suspicious activities related to your storage account. And Defender for Cloud provides visibility and control of the CWP features. It's a toggle switch that you can turn on if you want to enable Defender for Cloud for your servers, app services, SQL database, SQL servers on machines, open source relational databases, storage, containers, Key Vault, Resource Manager, or DNS, right? And if you want to know what resources can Microsoft Defender for Cloud secure, then I just told you servers, app service, you have storage, you have databases, you have containers, you have Key Vault, you have Resource Manager, you also have DNS. All right. Then you also have hybrid cloud protection. In addition to defending the Azure environment, we can also add Defender for Cloud capabilities to the hybrid cloud environment, which is to protect non-Azure servers and the VMs in other clouds, which can be AWS or GCP. Okay, we'll get customized threat intelligence and prioritized alerts according to the specific environment so that we can focus on what matters the most. And then we have Microsoft Defender for Cloud Security Alerts. When Defender for Cloud detects a threat in any area of your environment, it generates a security alert. These alerts describe details of the affected resources, suggested remediation steps, and in some cases, an option to trigger a logic app in response. You also have Microsoft Defender for Cloud Advanced Protection capabilities. Now, Defender for Cloud uses advanced analytics for virtual machines, SQL databases, containers, web applications, network, and more. Protections include securing the management ports of the VMs with just-in-time access and adaptive application controls to create allow list for what apps should and should not run on your machines. It also has vulnerability assessment, and management. Defender for Cloud includes vulnerability scanning for the virtual machines and container registries at no extra cost. The scanners are powered by Qualys, but we don't need a Qualys license or even a Qualys account. Everything is handled seamlessly inside Defender for Cloud. Alright, so this was a gist. In the next video, we will see more about Defender for Cloud workload protection specifically, and we'll try to describe the architecture, the strength, how to strengthen the security posture, manage organization security policy and compliance assessments, network map feature as well. So I'll show you that on the portal itself, and I'll explain a little bit using this text box on my screen. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.